Okay, so now I've got both WordPress and MAMP Pro downloaded. There's two ways you can install and set this up. You can install and set up WordPress first, and then set up MAMP Pro or MAMP. I tend to just do MAMP first. So first of all, I'm going to unpackage this file here, and I'm also going to unpackage the WordPress file just to get it ready in advance. So now I've got an unpackaged version of WordPress and an unpackaged version of MAMP ready to be installed. So to install MAMP, it's pretty simple. I just double click on the installation icon there, and it's going to take me through a series of steps which I'm sure you're familiar with. So I'm going to just follow through those. Hit continue. Just tells you it's going to install in the folder MAMP the application. Do not remove or rename, and I'm going to just, of course, just read the license agreement. Pretty important, so just read through that. I'm scrolling through it lightning fast there, but please read through it. And then if you agree with the license, simply agree, and it gives you the option of how you want to install the software as well. It tells you how much space it's going to select. So software, it says you've chosen to install this software for all users, so you can select different users if you have different users. It will come up here as an option if you do. I'm going to hit continue. Now you can choose a location. The standard location will automatically just install it into your applications folder. You can also change the location and go back here if you wish. Because I've already installed it, because I currently have an installation of that running at the moment. So when you hit install, depending on how you've set up your Mac security settings, it will tend to ask you for a password. Then you just need to insert your password and then go ahead and install the software. Now, given that I've installed that already, I won't install it again, but that's all you need to do is just install the software, and then it will go through a process of installing it, and then it'll give you a little tick and say that you've successfully installed MAMP software. Okay, so now I've installed the MAMP software. Before I go ahead and start configuring that in any way, what I need to do is take the WordPress installation here and place that in a folder somewhere on my computer. And the reason I'm doing that is because I need to tell MAMP whereabouts I've located these WordPress files, so it knows how to run that WordPress installation on my local computer. So first of all, I'm just going to open up here. I'm going to create a new folder. So file, new folder, and I'm going to call it test MAMP. Okay, pretty easy. I'm going to hit return, and then I'm going to open up that folder there, and all I need to do is take this installation here and plonk it in there. So none of this is functioning yet, but you'll see inside here that I've got, in the WordPress file folder, it's got all the files that are needed to operate a WordPress blog or WordPress website, all in here. That's the whole lot there. Okay, so you just need to do that to start with. Now you can create the folder anywhere you wish. You can create it in the actual folder where the application of MAMPS is. It's entirely up to you. But first of all, you've just got to create a folder and put your WordPress installation into that. Okay, so now we've done that, I'm going to leave this video here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to configure MAMPS to run that WordPress installation on your computer.